Alright, everything's just sitting in place for mock-up. This is going to go in here. Hammer the curve into it. You can see the frame rail. This will get a new edge on it on the inner wheel well. This here is going to be the back plate, which locks everything together. Got the new inner quarter panel. Of course, the old stuff. It just didn't make sense to try to splice into it. I mean, the stuff looks like Swiss cheese. This will get replaced. This is going to get replaced because this is all just fiberglass. So like I said, I'll have a new lip coming down to lock in. This will get replaced. But so far, so good. I do have a gap there, which I don't like, but I'll actually probably weld a little piece in there. And then it gets seam sealer anyway on some of the stuff. Yep, that's the old one. Didn't have much of a curve left to it. Well, this roof's coming in handy.
Edsel.
59 Edsel.